How to install Sausage Man on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are using an iOS device and want to install Sausage Man, first of all, unlock your iOS device and open up the App Store. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and go to the search bar at the bottom right corner. In the search box at the top, type in Sausage Man. Now look for this Sausage Man application from XD Entertainment Pte Limited and tap the Get button or the cloud icon and go ahead and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password if prompted. So after you do that, you will start downloading the app. Wait for it to install on your iPhone, and once it's complete, you can tap the Open button, sign in or create an account and download any additional game resources, and you'll be able to install the Sausage Man app on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.